Today we are going to do another activity. You have to pick a chit from the bowl, show us which animal is that, and make the sound of that animal. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, go ahead. It's a donkey. How does a donkey say? Show us which animal is that. It's an owl. How does an owl say? Okay, let's pick up another chair. Oh, it's a cat. How does a cat say?
Yeah.
Pick up another one. Oh, that's a frog. How does a frog say?
Ribbit.
Oh, that's an owl. How does an owl say?
Choo-choo. Oh, we have a cow.
Yes.
We have a dog.
Yes.
We have giant turtle. Purple birds. This is Mama Button. This is Teddy, Chris, Monkey, Teddy bear, lion, and ducky.
Yes. Now let's pick another chair. Oh, that's an elephant.
Don't know.
Oh. Okay, so that's sheep. How does sheep say?
Bah!
And this is dog. How does dog say?
Woof, woof.
Yes, woof woof. That's a duck. How does duck say?
Quack, quack.
That's bird. How does bird say?
Tweet, tweet.
Yes. Oh, that's a mouse. How does mouse say?
Squeak, squeak.
That's a cow. How does cow say?
Moo.
And next we have lion. How does lion say?
Roar.
Roar. That's horse. How does horse say?
Neigh.
That is snake. How does snake say?
Hey.
Yes. Now let's pick another one. Oh, that's an elephant. How does elephant say? How does chicken say?
Cluck, cluck. Mama, we need to sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the starlight so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, squire.
That's a pig. How does pig say? Which one is your favorite animal?